You are coming home every single day.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sleeping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
This creates a sensory habit.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Brain is waiting for it to buzz. You cannot truly heal if you are one notification away from a work emergency or a stressful news update. Create a device basket and put it outside the door or across the room. Your phone stays there. Instead of digital entertainment, keep analog tools in your space. Keep a physical book made of paper. Keep a journal and a pen. I like to keep an analog clock, the kind that ticks softly, so I don't have to check my phone to see what time it is. Being away from a screen for even 20 minutes a day in your dedicated space can significantly lower your stress levels and improve your sleep quality. To make this space truly yours, you need to add something that has deep personal meaning. This isn't about decor, it is about connection. It could be a crystal you found on a hike, a photo of a person who made you feel safe, or a small heirloom from a grandparent. This is your sacred object. It serves as a visual anchor. When you look at it, it reminds you of who you are outside of your job and your responsibilities. You should also have an entry ritual. This sounds fancy, but it just means a physical action you do every time you enter your space. It could be taking off your shoes, ringing a tiny bell, or taking 3 deep breaths. This tells your body, we are entering a different zone now. You might also want to keep a gratitude jar in your corner. Every time you spend time there, write down one thing you are thankful for on a scrap of paper and put it in the jar. On days when you feel like the world is falling apart, you can sit in your healing space and read those notes. It is a way to build a physical library of your own resilience and happiness. Your healing space is a living thing. It should not stay the same forever because you do not stay the same forever. Some months you might need more light and more plants because you are feeling low. Other months, you might need it to be darker and more enclosed because you are feeling overwhelmed. Listen to what your body is asking for. Every once in a while, you need to reset the energy of the space. Open the windows and let fresh air blow through. This literally clears out carbon dioxide and brings in fresh oxygen, but it also feels like you are blowing away old, stagnant thoughts. Some people like to use sage or Palo Santo to smoke cleanse the area, while others just like to give it a good dust and a vacuum. The point is to keep it intentional. If your healing space becomes a place where you just toss your mail again, it loses its power. Keep it sacred, keep it clean, and it will keep you sane. Creating this sanctuary isn't about spending a lot of money or having a perfect home. It is about claiming a small piece of the world for yourself. It is about saying that your peace of mind is worth more than the clutter and the noise. When you have a place to go that feels safe, the rest of the world feels a lot easier to handle. You start to realize that you don't have to carry the weight of everything all the time. You have a place where you can put it down, even if it's just for a few minutes. If this helped you breathe a little easier today, please subscribe for more ways to design a life of intention.